friends, welcome to our channel Accord Medical. Today we will show you the demo of Acco Advanced Ultrasound Therapy Machine 1 MHz. This is the heavy duty, compact and easy to carry machine. It comes with a carry bag, set of handle and wire 1 MHz. Before starting the demo, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start the demo now. Switch on the machine. Attach handle and wire. You can set the modes from this button. Continuous. In pulse we have 1:1, 1:3, 1:5, 1:7 and 2. We will show you the demo on continuous mode. Now you can also set the timer as per your requirement for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 or 20 minutes. We will do the water test. After setting the parameters, increase the intensity. You can also change the modes. Once the treatment is completed, stop the machine. Keep the handle dry and clean after the use. Switch off the machine. You can also buy this machine online at MedicalBazzar.com. The link will be given in the description below. The demo is completed. Thank you.